Hello guys, I'm the Techno Kid this side. Today in this video, we are going to do a different programming site. We are going to use Scratch. You all might have heard of Scratch. It is very famous. It uses blocks for coding instead writing the text and the coding. You just have to drag and drop these blocks. Um, so you can just add a new tab and then write Scratch the website. It will show it to you. You can open it. You can join Scratch. I have already logged in. Actually, I already made one account. It will show you. Um, it will show you like this. I will show you the tutorial when open. You can watch the tutorial in Scratch. It is very easy actually. And it will show you just like this cat type thing will what is this sprite? This cat or this any character in Scratch is known as a sprite. You can delete a sprite from here, you can add a sprite from here. Like we want to choose any sprite, like let's choose this parrot fly. Let's choose this. Actually, I'm not comfortable in this one, so I will choose this one, this method. And now you can also add a backdrop in Scratch. Because it's a parrot, we can choose a forest or a jungle backdrop or a Jurassic one too. And so to do this, and what is this costume? Costume is like when I was doing this, adding this sprite, you saw that this is moving, right? Like this is also moving. Like this is moving this parrot. That's called its costumes. There are two costumes, one up, one down. So it will look like it's flapping its wings and moving. We will create an animation where the parrot moves by flapping its wings from one place to another. So how to do this? First of all, we would go on events and click and drag and drop this one. When flag click, here is the flag. When flag is clicked, it means go. As there is no coding till now, it would not perform any action. When flag is clicked, perform the following actions. Like I want to go on control. Like I wanted to move a bit. I would drag and drop this and attach it to this, just like Thunkable, and then go. It moved a bit, right? You can see it moves. We can even add a sound actually. Yeah, you heard that, right? That sound. We will add a sound too. And how to add let's see how to add a costume. You can switch to costume parrot B, that wings down one. But we will also have to switch to parrot A, so it would be a lot more easier to just add this next costume. And we will have to repeat it, so we can add a loop, and loops are usually in the control one. You can add this repeat and then add these both in this, then add this repeat to here. Your coding is almost done, you can see it, but that's actually very fast. That was right, you won't be able to catch it. So to avoid this, we will go we are in control, and then we will drag and drop this. Wait 1 second and move it to the last one. But that's very slow. So we will decrease. Yeah, you we can decrease. Like we can even do this repeat around. I wanted to repeat 15 times, and I don't want it to wait for 1 second. I wanted to wait for 0.3, and that's actually a good time limit. And we can. You heard that right in the starting. Sorry. You can change the backdrop too. You can add any sound you want. You can just repeat it forever. You can create a story from this. You can animate. You can create a game. You can create a simple calculator app like I created in Thunkable. Actually, this one is actually way easier than Thunkable too. It's very, very good for beginners. We can make it say hello, like here in the text box. Once again in the text box. So you can do that, and you can create a game or something where animation where the program senses what the user is doing, is touching mouse pointer, touching color, this distance from mouse pointer, which key is pressed down, operators for mathematical operations, and for motion you can also turn 15 degrees or any which degrees. You can edit it later. You can go to the coordinates as you like. You can point in direction this. You can point towards mouse pointer. You can even when creating a paddle type game, a ball, ping pong game actually, you can set the property of the ball as if on edge bounce because it will have to bounce or it will go endlessly there. That's right. As I've already, you can to save it. You can just save it for the name Parrot Fly. I saved it. So you can just maximize it a bit and then see. First the sound came and now it's flapping its wing and then moving. It looks as if it is moving by flapping its wings. So it was this easy to make an animation, simple animation in Scratch. You can add hundreds, dozens of uh, sprites. You can see there are very much there are letters too. In animals, you have a bear walking. We can do a bear walking too, a bat gliding too, a cat walking too, a cat flying. We can do a dove flying. So there is actually plenty of options here, plenty of sprites, plenty of backdrops. I will show you the backdrops too. As you can see, there are endless backdrops. I actually like this one. That is that you have very much castle, one words, castle tree, woods house, and for you can even add your own block. So this way guys you can make easily you can make a project or animation on scratch or game or a story you can tell. You can make your own name animate. You can see through the tutorials here. These are all the tutorials. So this way, guys, it is actually a sorry, yeah. What the sorry that actually I just yeah, the project is saved now. You will just have to sign in for the project to be saved. You can edit the word name, this name. You can download it if you want. So in this way, it's very easy to make, and it's even better than Thunkable for creating games, animations, stories, arts, everything. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you all like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And never forget to press on the bell icon if you haven't done so yet, or else you will suffer and miss out on some cool stuff. Bye.